How to use Silhouette Curio 2 Electrostatic Bed. Step 1. Place the protective sheet over the electrostatic bed. Step 2. Place the material on top and smooth out the material, ensuring that there are no air bubbles. Step 3. Press the electrostatic attraction button on the control panel to charge the ES bed. Step 4. Let it charge for at least a minute to ensure that it's fully charged. Step 5. While it's charging, open Silhouette Studio and go to Page Setup. Step 6. Ensure that you have the right machine tray, cutting mat and media size selected. Step 7. Now go to the Library tab, then select and load a design to the canvas. Step 8. Once you've sized and personalized the design, go to the Send tab and click Send on the bottom of the screen. Step 9. If you've mirrored your design, click Send as is, then click Send in the pop-up window to continue. Step 10. The cutting process will take some time. Step 11. Once it's done cutting, press the electrostatic attraction button again to deactivate the charge. Step 12. Remove your sheet and read out the design. Step 13. Now grab the blank you're going to press the design and pre-press it. Step 14. Position the design, cover it with a pro-grade non-stick sheet and press it at 305 degrees for 12 seconds with medium pressure. Step 15. Open the machine, peel off the non-stick sheet, and it's done. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.